Alright, so these are the issues I'm having with your ECU. This is your ECU. It's got your safety security tag on it. That's it there, okay? It's hooked up, plugged up, everything's like it should. Alright. Turn the ignition on. Turn my scanner on. Let's see if I can get something. Finds the ECU. There's the ECU. There's the VIN. Current mileage. 2014 Ram. Code scan. Pre-scan. There's your engine ACM. No codes. These are all just your different modules. All the modules are good. You got a humidity sensor. I'm not that worried about that. Everything else, it's good. We go back out of here. Here is the key. It locks. Everything works like it's supposed to. So the key is working. Truck will not start. Cranks. Will not start. Turn the ignition back on. Let's go into your engine. Again, codes. No codes present. Now, you already know the truck won't start, so we're going to go and view live data. For the most part, all of my sensors are maxed out. There, I'm going to turn this sideways, see if it'll get that. Oh, there's a lot of glare from the sun, but... Tank level, 52% on the def tank. That's about right. Maybe a little less, maybe off a little bit. I'll let you scroll through here. Nothing wrong with the SCR ECU or the SCR def system. Why is my radiator outlet voltage sensor? Why is it reading 4,999 millivolts? Primary brake switch. The ECU is not reading anything. Here's a good one. Engine RPM speed. Nothing. But the gauge is working. That's going to reset this. Let's retry. Accelerator pedal position, 0. Alright. 0. Why is there... Our Banamax pressure is 14 psi. That's probably about right. But it's reading that there is 14 psi boost in the inlet pressure. Or inlet. Don't think so. So, I'm going to put this on YouTube and send it in an email. Clearly there's an issue with this ECM.